Attention, Nigerian government. Nigeria happened to me today. Me, me to wa gbe ọmọ mi lẹ́nu lé o. Nigerian government, Canadian government, American government, DSS. They came here to set me up. They upset me up. I don't know where me mobiti ọmọ mi wà báyìí o. Mi ò mọbi tí Sarah wà báyìí o. Mi ò mọbi tí Sarah wà báyìí o. Kò dẹ̀ mú Nigeria sim kankan dání, kò dẹ̀ tiẹ̀ sí owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. So people Nigeria and àwọn tó sponsor ẹ̀, àwọn tó sponsor nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, àwọn tó wọlé mi, àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi, àwọn tó wọlé wá ni o. Àwọn tó ní ó ṣẹlẹ̀, do you ever notice that Canada government, American government, Nigeria government, DSS, in tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí o. And láti ìgbà yẹn tí mo ti ń pè tí kíní yẹn tí state yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀, my phone is hacked. I couldn't access my phone. I cannot call. When they're calling me, it's ringing. I cannot pick it. This is my phone. And you can see, I've tried to on this phone since this phone was working perfectly before this incident happened. And I was trying to on this phone since then. The battery is not low. Not that the battery is low. Not that the battery is low. You can see. But the phone, they hack it. And it's telling me that they are hacking my phone from Germany. I saw a lot of things on my phone. Just now. You see? I called that time. You can see now. Look at the way it's doing. Let me try to call it again. See? Where is my stand? Wait, let me put it like this. Let me show you. You can see, when I put the code, this is what happened to my phone. And the phone was okay, perfectly nothing. I've never experienced such thing in my life or my phone before. You can see. I'm trying to go online. Since when that happened, in the moment it happened, I was trying to go online. It refused me. I couldn't go online. And the one that can go online, there was no SIM on it. There was no data. So I've been to police station. So it's strange to me. Let me just tell you what happened. And please, Nigeria government. I reported to police station in Kotu now. We came back home to... Okay, let me tell you what happened, the way the incident happened. This evening, the back flats, I was trying to look for people to rent the back flats. I mean, they are trying to fix some things at the back flat. And some people came in as they brought some agent, brought somebody, and we discussed, we agreed. They are the guy. So since on Monday, I think that incident started on Monday. The transaction started on Monday. And since then, we agree, and those guys started coming. And also, we need to fix some things. I was still trying to renovate this place, my house. So we are receiving a lot of visitors. But despite that, I monitor. I will be here. I supervise it myself. The only thing I used to tell my daughter to do at times is to open gates when people are about to leave or coming into the premises. But this evening, so some guys came to fix some cabinets in the kitchen of that flat. And we are both here. And later, I understand. I got the message. Those people got finished. Oh shit. I don't know what to say. Only time you need Daryl. Anyway, I said you should open for those people to open gate for them. He opened gates. Even this boy with me right now, when it was time to leave, he always come around to come and help me to do some things in the compound. You understand? In the house. The mother, I don't know their house, but I know the mother. The mother followed him here the other day. I sent them an errand. So when this boy about to leave, and I said, Sarah, open gates for this person, for this boy to go. The first, I think those people, they left before you. The same time, you left the same time. And when you got outside, you saw that car that picked Sarah up. Yes. You saw the car outside the gate that picked Sarah up. Okay? All of you. So I said Sarah should open gates for them to go. But before then, Sarah was telling me, I was telling Sarah, calm down. What happened? I saw Sarah here. She said she wants to go to the toilet. I said, what happened? She said she's having a running stomach. I said, okay, sorry. Come and open gate. And she came down. She opened gate for them. So when she was opening the gate, I got into the kitchen. I don't know that she's already, and later I discovered that she already opened the security gate, because that's where we discover now that she called, maybe they arranged for her, because number one, she doesn't have money. You know, there's no money. We don't have cash in this house. Even 1 naira, 1,000. The remaining cash I have, I give it to you, right? We don't have any cash. So she doesn't have any money with her. And if she's going to pay, she's going to pay with my account. And I've not received a lot. So people around me that came around supervise it. If what happened now, people that came around me since yesterday or since that Monday, people who come around me, they supervise this scene. So, and I'm going to tell you. So, I was expecting her to have, closed the gate, locked the gate, and then come in. So, I saw somebody again. The gate was open. I came out. I saw Sarah and, get into the car. And I was telling the car to stop. Stop. And the car didn't stop. And it was going. And because if I had my phone with me, maybe I could have taken the picture of the registration number of that car. But the car is Suzuki, that small car, like maybe Uber or whatever. She left. And when she was rushing to the car, and I was telling them, even me that I used to walk sluggish, I ran. And I was telling the car to stop, and he moved. For you to know, because if an Uber wants to carry somebody with a luggage in the street, if somebody is not supervising it, then the Uber will stop. And when I was calling this girl, Sarah, and the car still moved. For you to know that maybe they ordered the Uber, because anytime they order Uber, the Uber call my number. And that is why, most of the time, I know what people in Nigeria can do. They can brainwash children, they can do whatever, and that's why we have another phone. That's why we are using one phone. So, whatever Sarah is doing, I monitor it, and I gave her every right also to know everything about me. So, she controls everything. And I try to, for security purpose, I'm not monitoring her, but because I know that my vicinity in Nigeria, I know I have a lot of enemy, and they are devilish, and I know that they kill people, nothing. You understand me? That's why I will use one phone. When people ask me for Sarah's phone, I do tell them that Sarah doesn't have phone. And Sarah do tell me time that, okay, you know what? This person asked me. There was a time we went to station. There was a police that was asking for my daughter's phone number. This one asking for my daughter's phone number. She will come back and tell me that, Mommy, police officer asked me. And I do ask them, why you normally ask for my daughter's personal number? But these people came in since yesterday, since on Monday. I have a lot of visitors. So there was this land. This my land, this house. I was telling you that my part of my land were being, one time but look funny but any of one job. They won't be no because issue. So, and I'm waiting for proper time. So I've not even discussed about it. I need time to move first. You understand me? But any to rabbe, for me. But notice in fact, they know all the people have been waging war against my house as time surrounding my house. Some people are part of them on the social media. Okay? So the person came into my house yesterday in the morning. Yes. Wọ́n ti sọ fún mi pé ẹni yẹn sọ pé wọ́n fari mi. And they rí mi. Mo dey face wọ́n dey do for me. Wọ́n na mọ̀ mi dáadáa. Mo dey okay. Wọ́n dey na wọ́n mọ̀ Hamilton. Wọ́n na wọ́n mọ̀ Hamilton. That is one guy kan báyìí tó introduce tó interview mi nígbà ọ̀rọ̀ Wasiu Ayinde nígbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 2019. Nígbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ Wasiu Ayinde báyìí. Ó ní wọ́n mọ̀ Hamilton. Hamilton náà dẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ṣe Yorùbá nation gbà yẹn. Mo ní okay. Mo ní everybody mọ̀ mi mo Hamilton, but they are not my friend. They are nobody to me. I don't fight people, but people fight you because when they refuse, when people, I don't know. So once you ask about money, okay. But then when you want my baby, no, we don't come about me as one share because we are nothing. I don't have friends there, but they are not my enemy too. So that in yellow bed. So any so what babe tí mo gbé fún eventually. Mo gbé friend yẹn pé torí if I want to leave this place, if I want to travel, I cannot leave the house alone. Somebody has to be in the house, and I'll give it to somebody. And those guys, they are guys. And the person said they are one man produce movie in Kokombe. So money mo de ṣàlàyé fún wọn àti gbogbo àwọn tó mọ̀ wá pé I have bad experience about people who have been living in my house and about the celebrity too. I'm also a celebrity, but we are different. You understand? I don't have evil mind towards anybody, but mo ṣàlàyé, I tried to explain, but you know, the person came with the mother. I mean, they arrived with the mother and everybody, you know, and they tried to convince me and send them my invitation. I mean, on, you know, time I was thinking that we were going to do necessary agreements. So, but since that day, I want those, I want to show one lady why you my mom boys, they are boys. All of them, they are boys. All the people who brought the agents also, they are boys, they are men. Or the people, I mean, they want to eventually, they are men too. So, a lot of, and people also want to be wọlé láti wá ṣe iná tí to rectify a lot of things in the compound. A lot of people, like bricklayer ti ṣiṣẹ́, plumber ti ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn náà, wọ́n ti múyàn wá, bí àwọn a lot of guys wọnú lé síbí báyìí. So, àmọ́ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọmọ mi kò ní gbogbo orúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀. So, but they think Bola náà tí kàn sọ pé wọ́n máa ṣe matchmaking, wọ́n máa matchmake ọmọ mi. And I've been seeing those things lórí media pé wọ́n máa sọ pé release the girl. Please, nothing must happen to my daughter, please. Nothing must happen to my daughter. Gbogbo àwọn tó wọlé lánàá ni mo sọ yẹn. Now today, my daughter don't have penny. And Uber, they will collect money or they pay online. They have not sent any notification to me that Sarah paid. Any don't law. So somebody definitely maybe order the Uber. They have an agreement. Okay? But when I check my room, when I check where we put our things, our passport and everything, my own passport is there and everything, my own documents, Gbogbo documents is there. Koko Gbogbo bàtà, koko aṣọ. But ó gbé bag, traveling bag kan. Ó dẹ̀ gbé bag, that's laptop bag. But ọmọ tó ń bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ èyí tó máa jẹ́ pé mo máa ní kó bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ nínú company yẹn. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ torí láti àná mo rí ọmọ yẹn ó wò mí bákan. The boy was just looking at me like bí ẹni tó ń ṣàánú èèyàn, bí ẹni tó sorry fún yàn. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, mo béèrè bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta, mo ní what happened? Mo ní is anything wrong? Only nothing. Did they tell you anything? Did you see any information? But because wọ́n ṣe ń wò mí, ó ń wò mí bíi pé ó sorry fún mi àbí pé kó wò pé you know understand me. Ìgbà tí mo wá rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, tọ́rọ̀ náà ni àwọn tó wá ṣe cupboard tó gbé wá yẹn tí àwọn agent yẹn ló gbé wọn wá àtẹ́lẹ̀ yìí mo wá sọ fún pé ẹ̀yin ló lọ sí gate fún. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yẹn, ó dẹ̀ wá for innocent tó jẹ́. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé when Sarah open gate for you guys, because I told them to wait. I said that all of them should wait, they should go once. I said, okay, all of them should go once, so he should open the gate once and for all. So I asked this boy, tell me, what happened? Did you see? He said the car, there was a car actually. I saw the car to myself. Because quickly I noticed that the gate was not open, not locked. Sarah, where is Sarah? Try to check the gate. I saw Sarah get into a car. And the boy said also, I saw the car myself. It's Suzuki. Ẹjọ́ Nigeria government. Orúkọ ọmọ mi ni Sarah Adébùkọ́lá Adébọ̀wálé. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi pé airport o. Ẹ bá mi rédíò, ẹ bá mi ṣe. Bóyá ní airport ní airline, bóyá ó lè tó bá jẹ́ pé ó fẹ́ lọ sí Canada. Ó sì yẹyin, ó dá o kó máa lọ. But tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n sá gbogbo àwọn tó wá bí báyìí wọ́n tán because she doesn't have money. We don't have cash. We don't have money. So, tó bá jẹ́ Canada ló ń lọ, please, ẹ bá mi wò, tó bá jẹ́ Canada, wọ́n lè fi sílẹ̀ kó máa lọ sí Canada o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sá o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ máa o, Nigeria government o, American government, Canada government, please o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Canada ló ń lọ. Tó bá dẹ̀ dáwọ́ tó wà ń bí because àwọn yẹn sọ pé producer ni wọ́n mi ò fẹ́ wàhálà o. Ó ní wọ́n ṣe ṣàlàyé dáadáa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run o. Sarah Adébùkọ́lá Adébọ̀wálé lórúkọ ìgbà tí mo rí sí. Nígbà tí mo dé police station náà wọ́n ní pé fúnra rẹ̀ ló jáde. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè gba àwọn kó dẹ̀ ní gbogbo mo ti sọ àbí I was telling her that I wanted to I will go to Canada, but somebody has to be in this house. That's why I even tell people to come and rent it. I don't supposed to rent it again. It's because she can go back to school and she can go to Canada. And èmi kẹrẹ gbogbo ìwé mi orí ìwé mi ló wà. Èmi ni mo ní foundation ìwé tó lò. Please Nigeria government. Please torí àwọn tó wà ní sọ̀rọ̀ níbi àwọn tó ti wá nínú ilé mi yẹn ó ní mo sọ yẹn. Ọmọ mi kò ní owó lọ́wọ́. There was no chichi. But there's no kobo lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ìgbà tó tún lọ phone ẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Phone, this is Sarah's phone. Sarah left the phone. Èkejì kékeré tí ó tó ti lò tí ó tó kàn fi support phone ẹ̀ tí ó lò mọ́ yẹn. Òun ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bóyá ó dẹ̀ gbàgbé sápò ní kò pàápàá. Kò dẹ̀ system lórí ẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sí WhatsApp. Tí ó bá dẹ̀ wà connected when mom bi tí Wi-Fi wà, she cannot communicate o. No phone with her o. And my daughter, if it's not a plan work, when I'm shouting, driver don't move. Sarah don't go. She will stop. The driver will stop. Please, her name is Sarah Adébùkọ́lá Adébọ̀wálé o. Nigeria government, American government, Canada government, please. I've not experienced this. Àwọn tó wọlé wá nìyẹn o, and they got to do with all the celebrity. Gbogbo àwọn tó ti wọlé wá, they got to do with a lot of them, and I have issue with them. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, I don't know what people have been telling her that can make her to come out of the house without informing me, without money, and I even go to Canada because of her. I'll be going through this stress and trouble because of her. Those people, that's the people that came into my house today, on Monday. And this boy says something, that this evening, she was standing by the door and saying she was talking to herself. When she was talking to herself, the boy said, she looked at her face and smiled. And he too smiled. And people who come around me, there's a lot of things I've noticed. So. Please, Nigeria, save the time this girl left, this phone stop working. They hacked my phone. They stopped it so that I will not go online. Then I will not be able to go online. I've tried to go online since few minutes to 7. That happened few minutes to 7. Few minutes to 7, that happened few minutes to 7. And I tried to go online without even with his phone. There was no Facebook on this phone. She owns it. And this my two phone, I was trying to go online. My phone was being hacked. Maybe hacked, or they did something against it this morning. You see, since that time my phone stopped working. Not that the battery is low. The battery is not low. They hack it. I'm just coming from the police station. Because only drop missing. One nígbà tá dé wọlé padà torí bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn. The moment tí mo ti rí yẹn mi padà wọlé nígbà tí mo rí pé mọ́tò yẹn lọ. I was telling the car to don't move. Oh, they move. Tí ó bá ń ṣe plan work, the car will not move. The car will not move. Mo dé station. Ọmọ yẹn náà wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ọmọ tó wà ń sọ̀rọ̀ ní yẹn tá la máa kọ́kọ́ pé mi ò rẹ́ anybody pé mo kàn wí pé mo ní nọ́mbà eléyìí pẹ̀lú fóònù kékeré kan tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi tó wà lórí fóònù ẹ̀ mo wá pé ọmọ yẹn nọ́mbà tí máa ń pọ̀ ọmọ yẹn sí lórí ẹ̀ mo wá rí pé nọ́mbà ọmọ yìí kan wà ńbẹ̀ ni mo fi pé ọmọ yẹn eléyìí tí mo rí pé àwọn yòókù yẹn ó yẹ kí contact wọn gbogbo àwọn tó wá because èmi kan fura wọ́n ní wọ́n máa wá bí lónìí wọn ò wá o they send them maybe they send them to come and tọmọ mi jáde kan fi ọkùnrin àbí ẹni tí tọmọ mi jáde àwọn tó wà bíbẹ̀ jọ o ètò ọlọ́run Nàìjíríà government American government Canada government please o ọmọ mi ò kì í ṣọmọ yamayama ọmọ mi ò kì í ṣọmọ rádaràda gbogbo nǹkan táwọn Nàìjíríà máa ṣe lélẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ tó yọ ọlọ́wọ́ mi ò pọ̀ ọmọ èèyàn o ṣe àmọ́ ẹ̀pẹ́ ti bàbá bẹ́ẹ̀ and I have a bad dream yesterday night please Nigeria government mo bẹ̀ yín ni o ẹ jẹ́ bá mi rédíò airport o tó bá jẹ́ pé lọ Canada ká mọ̀ báyìí o nọ́mbà tí WhatsApp ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìn kò sí Nigeria nọ́mbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nọ́mbà Canada kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ it's not wrong wọ́n tẹ̀ ti block ẹ̀ láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti pé 3 months tí mi ò ti padà sí Canada tí mi ti lọ Canada wọ́n ti block ẹ̀ so tó bá wà níbi tí wifi wà nìkan náà ní fóònù lè lọ so definitely some people organize it tó bá jẹ́ wípé wọ́n organize it owó ó máa san owó ṣẹ́rí fóònù tí mo ní mo pè látẹ̀kọ́ ṣẹ́rí bó ṣe tọ̀nà sí ojú ẹ̀ bó ṣe máa ṣe kò ṣe gbé when I try to pick it now you see ṣẹ́rí bó ṣe máa lọ nìyẹn ẹ jẹ́ wá tẹ code sí ẹ jẹ́ tẹ pin ẹ̀ sí ẹ wo mo ti tẹ pin sí báyìí ẹ jẹ́ wá tẹ ṣẹ́rí bó ṣe máa jẹ láti ìgbà tó ti lọ yẹn fóònù mi ò ṣe báyìí rí o 46 kò ṣe báyìí rí o tó bá jẹ́ kó hangi tó bá hangi kó wá fóònù mi yìí ò hangi rí o tó bá tẹ̀ báyìí tí bá tẹ ojú ẹ̀ báyìí a máa gbé Germany a máa gbé pé wọ́n hack fóònù mi like they hack my phone so I will not be able to go online I will not be able to give information ó ti fẹ́ pé now to me wọ́n consider me something few minutes to 7 ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gbà tí mo dẹ̀ ló tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn mo ṣàlàyé fáwọn police wọ́n wá sí bíbáyìí náà wọ́n ní pé kọ́ńtà láti rí ọmọ iná kó lè ṣàlàyé but ìgbà tí mo wọnú ilé mo rí pé it's a well planned thing bóyá àwọn tó wá yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní kó mú passport ẹ̀ kó kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ torí pé ẹ wá mọ tó fún ni visa wa ti jó sorry mo ní visa ticket wa ó ti expire láti ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún yín ticket wa ti expire so I was planning mo ń wò pé kí n ṣara mi jọ kí n plan láti ra ticket I even said to her that okay tí bá ti rí owó maybe màá kọ́kọ́ ra ti tiẹ̀ that was what I was telling her and she was now telling to me that okay tí bá ra tèmi báwo ni ṣe èmi ń kọ́ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní at least do you understand so we don't have tickets there's no ticket she have valid passport and the residence but there's no ticket where's the military ticket kí ni wọ́n sọ fún ọmọ mi ta ló gbé ọmọ mi jáde nínú àwọn tó wá síbí báyìí yẹn nínú àwọn tó wọlé yìí àwọn ló ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn because ma sọ pé kó lọ sí gate nínú àtàyè tí ọmọ bá lò fẹ́ lọ sí gate mo máa sọ fún boy yìí ma ní you go and open gate not even because is it because I do tell you yesterday not because I want you to be going and coming that I just want you the people coming into the compound they are men you are a boy okay go and open gate she's a girl do you know I said that yesterday even those one came into my house that day they were looking at my daughter like that I said stop looking at my daughter ẹ jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run Nigeria government mo bẹ̀ yín ni o Nigeria government DSS ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sà mo fi kúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni o tó bá jẹ́ pé ó lọ sí Canada wàláì tàláì tí ẹnìkan but even going to Canada without my consent is against the law, is a criminal. Àwọn tó bá sọ fún kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ is a criminal offense. But I don't believe she's going to Canada. But they can tell her, take your passport and get out of the house. Because they know that she have a resident. I mean, they can make use of her. Because lójú àwọn kan náà tó wá lánàá mo sọ fún wọn pé ọmọ mi o, citizen of Canada. Tẹ́nìkan tẹ́ sọ pé gbé mi lọ nǹkan kan bẹ́yẹn. You understand? So they may want to make use of her. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sá ìtorí Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ ní o. Nigeria government ni mo pè o. Canada government, America government, Nigeria government ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o. Ẹ torí Ọlọ́run o. Airport ni mo believe pé in tó bá dé lè ṣe bóyá order Uber ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé nísìn mo ti rí fóònù iṣí orí ẹ̀ ni ṣé ti rí bó ṣe bí pé wọ́n pèsè orí ẹ̀ ṣé ti rí tó bá jẹ́ pé mo rí fóònù iṣí sìn orí ẹ̀ òun ni the camera orí ẹ̀ ni camera that's where I can set my camera then I can bring it out but they hack it. You can see anybody that is telling my daughter to leave or even to go anywhere is enemy of my daughter and is also my enemy. Nigeria government, ẹ gbà mí o. Nigeria government, ẹ gbà mí o. Canada government, gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ṣe mi báyìí tó bá ní wọ́n disturb mi ní Canada so that máa jẹ́ tó bá tẹ̀ máa Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ ó pa mí, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rí mi pa, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rí òun náà pa. Ẹ jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ gbà mí o. All these things stand so terrorism ni o, changing the mind of a child towards the children, collecting the children from come and gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn come and pọmọ pa come and pàwọ́ èèyàn. Please, Nigeria government help me o. Somebody say go to Canada embassy this night. I want to wá láti àárọ̀. What? These people promised to come to the house today. They came to pay and fees like that. I didn't see them. And I was trying. The moment in the room, mo fẹ́ sọ fún wọn, mo fẹ́ pè wọ́n ni. Pé please come around, come. Mi ò ríru traces yẹn rí lọ́wọ́ ọmọ mi. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ fún ọmọ mi náà pé ọkọ gidi ló máa fẹ́. Please wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ pé olóògbé lọ́mọ mi. Please ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ bá mi bẹ̀ wọ́n torí pé gbogbo àwọn tó wálé mo ti sọ pé wọ́n máa ń plant wọn ni. Target wọn náà ni just to bring me down, to destroy me, to destroy my daughter. I don't know what I've done to them o. Nigeria government, mo ti sọ pé wọ́n terrorize me because tí ìbá jẹ́ yẹn gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe wo ọmọ yẹn náà bí mọ́tò yẹn páàkì síwájú lé lọ́sàn-án. You know some people came around in the afternoon, they said want to come into the house. I said to do what? I said no. I said I don't know, maybe they are kidnappers. They're busy knocking. They said somebody sent them. I said who is the person that sent you? They said they want to come into the house. I refused to open for them, Shebi. I was surprised. I was wondering why these people coming. Who are the people? I said, okay, if you have been sent and I don't carry and don't give this place to too much people. And talk and see more file gan fún agent only and see orale to ra ilé kejì tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ta ilẹ̀ mímọ́. Engineer tó rán wá ni mo sọ pé Ọlọ́hun ṣe òun máa ń ṣe kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ agent òun náà ló mú wọn wá. Ó ní mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ pè lẹ́ǹkan torí pé if anything happen in my surrounding àwọn tó kọ́kọ́ wà ní surrounding àwọn boys wọlé yẹn they are the first suspects. Torí gbogbo wọn náà mọ àwọn celebrity ni wọ́n promote. Me or accuse anybody, but at the same time my daughter have never behaved like this before. And when they wọlé o, when they no matter wà lónìí wọ́n wá. Ọmọ mi jáde lọ, they are first people. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ Nigeria government. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ n fi Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ó ṣiṣẹ́ o. Ẹlẹ́dàá jẹ́ ó ṣiṣẹ́ o. Olórí mi Ọlọ́run tó dá mi. I thought they want to open now. Tí fóònù bá ṣiṣẹ́ ńsìn máa gbé ibi tí fóònù nọ́mbà wọn wà lélẹ̀ gbogbo wọn pátápátá ibi tí fóònù nọ́mbà wọn wà lélẹ̀ fóònù yẹn ni open yẹn láti ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní fóònù yẹn ti lọ. Èkejì tọ́mọ mi dẹ̀ lọ tó jẹ́ pé sí mi ẹ̀ wà mẹ́ kò sí yàtọ̀ sí nọ́mbà mi tó wà lórí ẹ̀ àti nọ́mbà èèyàn bíi méjì kò sí nọ́mbà kankan lórí ẹ̀. Mo tún yọ síìmù yìí gan sí pé bóyá ó máa detect àwọn nọ́mbà yẹn jáde kò gbé nọ́mbà jáde ṣé bí we have been trying to sketch things pé kó lè gbé nọ́mbà jáde bóyá ó máa ní nọ́mbà yẹn máa register sórí sim so that I can contact those people. I could not contact them. They are suspects. Tọ́mọ mi tó wá jẹ́ pé Canada gan lọ́mọ mi lọ and again kò lè lọ Canada torí kò sí ticket lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ so wọ́n tàn jáde nínú ilé yìí kò dẹ̀ sówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. I'm saying that gbogbo àwọn èèyàn plant àwọn èèyàn sí sọ̀rọ̀ àǹdí mi kí ni mo ṣe fún wọn. Nítòótọ́ I saw her get into that car but torí tó bá pe Uber orí fóònù mi phone me. In fact, do you know why she didn't go with this phone? I always, because she have data on the phone and she have number on the phone, I always collect the phone that has number so that anybody will not give her number and they start brainwashing her. That's why this phone, her phone was with me that has SIM. For me, for the security, people who are security conscious too, so that they will not collect her phone number and then tell her to meet them somewhere and the other over for her, she follow. Nigeria government ẹjọ́ o, ẹjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run o, mo ń wá nọ́mbà àwọn tó pè báyìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ̀lé hack nọ́mbà mi, nísìn ló máa wà òkè o, ní pé ẹjọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó ti pè mí láti ọjọ́ Monday títí dìsìn, ẹjọ́ email mi náà ẹjọ́ ẹ torí Ọlọ́run. I know if Nigeria wants to, as the detective want to work over this for me, they can do this, please, for God's sake. Just look at me, I've stressed. Since I came to Nigeria, I've been going through a lot of pains. But every day I don't want to be crying, that people should be seeing me like crying. Tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn people yẹn wà níbí báyìí sí, ṣé máa pè wọ́n? But wọ́n hack gbogbo bí sí nọ́mbà wọn wà láti àárọ̀, fóònù yóò ṣiṣẹ́. Mo try láti pa fóònù yìí kò pa, wọ́n hack ẹ̀. Ó ń gbé Germany jáde fún mi, àwọn hacker burúkú lórí fóònù mi. So that I will not be able to go online. Do you see? At least if phone ba hang. Do you know when you try to off it, you off it, and after some time you want it back, it will get it. Oh my God, start. Oh my God, padà. This phone kò ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n hack ẹ bàjẹ́. Anytime tó bá gbé nǹkan jáde báyìí pé kó fẹ́ tẹ̀ báyìí. Ṣé rí bó ṣe wà nsìn? Ẹ kàn jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀ bí. Ṣé rí miss call tó ti wà ńbẹ̀? Ẹ jẹ́ n tẹ̀ bí báyìí. Ẹ má rí o. Ṣé rí? Ṣé rí tí má tẹ̀ ojú ẹ̀? Ó yẹ kó kú ni. Tó bá dẹ̀ kú ká padà tutàn. Ṣé ti understand? Kó sọ pé off. Ṣé ti rí? Instead of this, ṣé kó sọ pé off. Ẹ jẹ́ n tẹ̀lé. Ṣé rí nǹkan tó gbé jáde? Ẹ máa wo nǹkan tó gbé jáde o. Àwọn boys tó wá ń bí yẹn, àwọn ni ọkàn mi sọ sí. Ó ti fẹ́ kú. Okay. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ hack, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fẹ́ tú mi sílẹ̀, Canada ẹ ṣé, àti gbogbo ẹni tó bá fẹ́ tú mi sílẹ̀, ṣe rí ó ti ní Samsung Galaxy. Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ kó padà wá o. Hack. Fóònù yẹn wá ń gbóná bàjẹ́. Really wọ́n. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́, tẹ́ bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́, gbogbo ẹni bá ti ràn mí lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ẹni bá ràn mí lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Lórí ọmọdé. Àwọn tó wá yẹn ní ara fún mi sí ọmọ mi ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Kò ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì lọ́wọ́. Kò dẹ̀ tí ì ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì. That's not Sarah's number. She doesn't go with any number. The WhatsApp will not work until she's... And she doesn't have money. Hello?
Hello?
Ẹ kálẹ́ o. Ẹ kálẹ́ o.
Hello?
Hello, ẹ kálẹ́ o.
Ẹ kálẹ́?
Yes. Auto Bola ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ o.
Láti wò. Hello ma.
Hello?
Hello? Mo ń gbọ́ ma.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ torí Ọlọ́run. Mo notice ọmọ mi dédé kúrò nílé. Ọmọ mi ò dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Ọmọ mi ò kúrò nílé rí lọ́jọ́ tí mo ti dé ayé mi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn tenant tó wá yẹn tọ́nà fẹ́ gbalé yẹn. Ṣé mo pé mo sọ pé wọn ò tí ì send ṣé mo pé tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ gbalé address ilé wọn wọn ò tí ì fún mi mo sọ pé kẹ́niyẹn mú agreement wọn sign yẹn wá. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ọmọ mi kúrò nílé o. Àwọn dẹ̀ ní ẹni tí ọkàn mi torí àwọn nìkan ló wá tó jẹ́ àwọn boys wọn dẹ̀ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n lè connect ọmọ mi wọ́n lè ṣe tán ti use mọ́nú compound yìí. Ṣó ti yé yín? Torí tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ mi mú tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ńsìn tó ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì Canada máa sọ pé òkè ó mú tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì Canada ò lọ àwọn ló ti wá àwọn boys nílẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n máa wá ní they said they are coming today they didn't come. I send message to this boy also agreement to fill kò reply mi láti àárọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi wá ilé ẹ̀ báyìí lóru yẹn a lè sun o ọmọ mi ti kúrò nílé Nàìjíríà dẹ̀ dé o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ọmọ mi ò kúrò lérí ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ ní mo ṣe kọ́kọ́ pè yín báyìí mo ti pe òun náà sìn kò tí gbé kọ́ ìyá ẹ̀ wá bí lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣẹlẹ̀ pọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé boys mẹ́rin ni wọ́n ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Ọmọ mi jáde kò ṣerú ẹ̀ rí láti aago 7 mo ní kó lọ sí géètì fún wọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe àfáà gbé èkejì yẹn ó gbé èèyàn tó ṣe kábínẹ̀tì wá ní kábínẹ̀tì bí tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ní di kábínẹ̀tì bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ sanwó fún Sarah ló transfer owó fún àti ọmọ tó wà lọ́dọ̀ mo dẹ̀ ní kó lọ sí géètì fún wọn kán dẹ̀ máa lọ bó ṣe máa ṣí géètì tó bá tí èèyàn bá wọlé náà bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ mo dẹ̀ rí pé géètì dẹ̀ ṣe kò tètè wọlé mo dẹ̀ wá rí pé géètì yẹn wà ní ṣíṣílẹ̀ kí n yọjú síta mo rí ọmọ mi nítòótọ́ ó wọnú mọ́tò kan àdẹ̀ ní níbi báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ mi ò ní owó cash lọ́wọ́ did I have any cash? Even today, I wanted to buy just 5,000 something. I said go and collect one POS for person so that we can send 10,000 to the person. And the change you took the 10,000 to buy something. And there's many change when you are going. I said take the change. Abi, ọmọ mi ò jáde kò dẹ̀ sọ wọ́n náà kò sí cash. So people who come around me, they are the first suspect. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ṣé mo pé mo ṣàlàyé ńjọ́ yẹn tí mo ń sunkún bíbá tí mo dẹ̀ ìkúlẹ̀ mo ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o mo sọ sọ́ni ọjọ́ yẹn wípé nǹkan bábà ni wọ́n ṣe fún mi ó ní mo ṣe ṣàlàyé o mo dẹ̀ rí pé lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ pípa àwọn tó wà celebrity wọ́n lọ́wọ́ wọn lórí social media bò mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó dúró at the proper time wọ́n lè sọ fún ọmọ mi pé ọmọ mi ṣe celebrity ẹ bá mi tètè wá ilé wọn o mo ṣe ti ẹyin ọmọ mi ò jáde lérí o. mo sọ lẹ́ni mo ní pé tí bá ẹ̀rọ pé mo sọ fún yín mo lẹ́ni tó bá fẹ́ fún bẹ̀yẹ gan mo ní káàmọ́ mi ò gbowó mo ní ẹni tó bá fẹ́ fún bẹ̀yẹ mo ní màá ṣe kíni màá gbé lọ sí sojú ẹni wọn nígbà mo lálàá kan lóru mọ́jú ẹni nǹkan kan gbúdọ̀ ṣe ọmọ mi o nǹkan kan kò gbúdọ̀ ṣe o mo sọ fún yín pé wọ́n ti pa bàbá ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín. Kò gbé kò tiẹ̀ mú fóònù lọ níbi kan ṣe dé kò mú fóònù tó yẹ kó mú tí owó tó máa fi pè kò mú lọ èyí tí ò sí tí síìmù wà tó máa tí ó jẹ́ pé tó bá kàn ní wifi tí ò bá sí ní wifi kò ní lè pè yẹn kò sí síìmù lórí ẹ̀ síìmù tó wà lórí ẹ̀ kò lè pè anybody. Mo ti jẹ́ kó pẹ́ jù báwo mo ti lọ police station mo tó fọ́nù òpè látàrọ̀ mo ti ń fẹ́ láti bàtí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní wọ́n ti yáàkì ẹ̀ gbà tí wọ́n ráyè lọ sórí mídíà sí tí wọ́n ti yáàkì fọ́ọ̀nù pé láti Germany àwọn èèyàn ti release ẹ̀ wọ́n release ẹ̀ ní kí n ṣe rọ́ because mo ti pé ìjọba Nàìjíríà mo ti pé Canada mo ti pé America public government ẹ ti kó gbé ọmọ mi lẹ̀ o ẹ̀yin mo dẹ̀ sọ fún ìlànà ẹni kó gbẹ́lẹ̀ ọmọ mi ò jáde lérí tọmọ mi abẹ́ lọ Canada I was doing gbogbo Canada kan tí mo lọ because of ọmọ mi ni o ìyá tí mo jẹ láyé mi tó tọ́jú ọmọ mi ni o nobody ṣe mọ̀ pé níjọ́ yẹn Mr. Femi mo sọ nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé ilẹ̀ ẹbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n tà mọ́ ilẹ̀ mi ò bá wọn jà mo ti mọ̀ pé ní kò ń ṣẹjọ́ yín kò dẹ̀ ń ṣẹjọ́ máa yẹn náà gbogbo àwọn tó bá wà nínú ilé mi gbogbo wọn pátá ní suspect o ọmọ mi ò jáde rí o ọmọ mi ò ṣọmọ kọ́mọ. ọ̀rọ̀ lágbára kọ́ lélẹ́yìí o ẹ pé àfáànsì yìí o kò sí ìdúró sí fò ìsìn ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ilé wọn ká mọ ilé wọn tó bá jẹ́ sùrè ká lọ sìn ibikíbi tó bá ń gbé tọ́lá àwọn ọmọ wọn wá mo dẹ̀ sọ ní mo ti pè látàná mo ní pé ẹ mú ìwé agreement àwọn people ìwá address wọn is also necessary. Mo dẹ̀ send agreement sí bàbá yẹn látàrí pé nǹkan tó máa fi lè ó kàn yẹ̀wò ní kò sọ̀rọ̀ láti àárọ̀ ẹ sọ fún ọkọ̀ gbúdọ̀ ṣe ọmọ mi o nǹkan kan gbúdọ̀ ṣe ọmọ mi o mo sọ sí yìí o. Mo ti gbọ́ ìpè ẹgbẹ́ bá sọ. You can see that until I have opportunity to go online and then telling them that they have this phone now. People who have power also. Àwọn kan tó hack ẹ̀ wọ́n ti hack pa wọ́n bá mi dá padà ni. They restore it back. I was trying to on this phone. I was trying to call this phone. Say that this girl left home. They hacked this so that I will not go online. I will not be able to do anything. Canada government, please. She have the other Canada phone that she be using for long. Is a Canada MP something on it. That is what is the name of that Samsung flip, the old one like this. She used to not hold like that, but that flip one, Samsung. Please, maybe Canada can track her for me. And people can track that phone for me also. The email, maybe Uber, land drive, collection land drive, no, I know. Àti àwọn order kini, her name is Sarah, or she can order on my name. She always order on my name. And she doesn't have cash. Some people with cash who have come around, who have cash are the one. The deal tó ń ṣe lórí ọmọ mi ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Let me check the plate number of the car. I don't think it doesn't park even in the front of my house. You know, if you park in the front of my house, in the front of my house, if you park there directly, you know, when I come out, she park in the front of this place, not in front of this place. The other side is not in the front of my house. If you park in the front of my house, of course, I will challenge her. Please, Nigeria government ẹjọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa bá mi sọ ní airport, but kò ní owó, kò ní ticket lọ́wọ́. Ticket ti expire. Ibì kan ló wà nísìnyí tó máa tàn wọ́n tún jáde níbi ni.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Ẹni tó wá gbalẹ̀ yẹn ló switch off yẹn. Let me call her mother.
MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Gbogbo wọn ló switch off yẹn. The mother of the guy switch off. Please, I will release the number. Is it? Yes, I will release the number now so that if Nigeria government and anybody can help me to track the number, let me drop the number of the guy. So the location, please. Let me drop the number of the guy. All of them. I'm going to drop the number. The number today. This is what I sent to this person today. That he should feel. He saw this message. He never say hello. He never say anything. And you know, he left my phone like that. So let me drop the number. The phone number of the person, the guy, supposed to be here today. So before it's too late, it's 080. That's the number of the guy. Olórúkọ mi jẹ́ Damilola. I will check the name now. Damilola. I will drop everybody's name. 080. 080 69 69 67 78. 080 69 69 67 78. Number bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn nìyẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Nigeria government, Canada, America, anybody tó bá ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi track ẹ̀ ń sìn, DSS àtọlọ́pàá, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tó lọ́wọ́ bá mi track ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ilé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ń sìn, ó ní Sùúrùlérè ló ń gbé. So mi ò rí any email ipe ọmọ mi order Uber. Mi ò rí email pé ọmọ mi order Uber. Tó bá dé Uber tá bá fẹ́ jáde, they will call, tó bá ti data, they will call and tell me that okay, wọ́n ti wà níta o. Wọ́n ṣe máa ń sọ nìyẹn. Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ti wà níta. Yes, this is the number. 080 69 69 67 78. That the name is Damilola. Let me look for the name, the father's, the mother's name, their son name, because I have the UBA account number. Torí mi náà sanwó. The mother said she's a tailor. I patronize the mother today. Oniyede Adenike Fatima. That's Oniyede. I think that should be their surname. But that's the account number I send money to. Me too, I send money to them. I send money to the guy. To their mother. Do you understand? I send money to their mother today because èmi náà sọ pé mo fẹ́ patronize wọn. Ó dẹ̀ send àwọn kan tó send sí mi rí. Lẹ́yìn nígbà tó sọ pé ó fẹ́ fún mi ní style tí mo fẹ́ ránṣọ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún nígbà tí wọ́n dé náà. Wọ́n sọ fún Sarah. Ìyọ́n sáni wọ́n sọ fún Sarah pé mo sọ fún Sarah pé wọ́n bá mi rán kan fún. Sarah lóhun ò fẹ́. Ìgbà tó wá sọ pé ti Sarah gan, mo wá notice pé she didn't take Sarah's measurement. She didn't take Sarah's measurement, and I also pay for the Sarah even clothes. She didn't take Sarah's measurement, and I pay for Sarah's clothes. And all of their this thing, our phone number now is there. One day she sọ pé ọmọ ológo lọmọ mi, ọmọ ológo lọmọ yẹn wọ́n ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi lánàá náà. Ṣó ti yé yín tí mo dẹ̀ ti sọ pé not to my mom is a citizen of Canada. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, Nigeria government, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ number yẹn with the police. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lẹ́ẹ̀kan tí mo wà ní station pé phone wọn hack ẹ̀, tí bá tọ phone tí bá gbé fọ́lọ́pàá náà sẹ́n. Wọ́n ní wọ́n máa send, wọ́n máa rojú ẹ̀. But nǹkan tọ́lọ́pàá sọ ní pé ọmọ mi ló jáde fúnra rẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n kidnap ẹ̀. But you know the way they used to do to people, they brainwash them. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè tún lóògùn, tẹ̀sí kò sí wọ́n tí wọ́n lè ṣe. My daughter kò ṣe rí, kò sí visa ticket wá dẹ̀ ti jó. I was today I was saying that okay, if I go to Canada, I was even telling you that look at your clothes, that I'm going to shop for you anytime I want to come to Nigeria. Even if I'm not coming now, I'm going to shop for you. I send it for you. Did I tell you that? So láti àná yẹn, àwọn ló wọnú lẹ́mi o, celebrate dẹ̀ ni ó promote ó ṣe fíìmù rí. Orúkọ wọn ni mo sọ yẹn. Ó ti ẹ tó dẹ̀ gbé wọn wá nìyẹn. Ẹ tó dẹ̀ ló máa pè padà láti ẹ̀kọ́ kò tí ì padà. Let me change the SIM now. I'll put it back. Wọ́n ti wò pé ọmọkùnrin ní ẹjọ́ ọwẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run o. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ la máa ń bò ṣìkà o. Ìwọ́n ti ẹ máa rí ọmọkùnrin máa lẹ́fẹ́ lọ. Ẹ lè ṣe ọmọ mi bí mo Ọlọ́run ṣe fẹ́ ní kí n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ bí ẹ fẹ́ ràn ọmọ mi jù mí lọ o. Ẹ jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run o. Bẹ̀yìn ni o. Mi ìfọmọ èèyàn ṣètùtù owó rí o. Mi ò ṣe ájò owó rí o. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi lówó nìkan ni mo Ọlọ́run nìkan ni mo ní pẹ̀lú ẹ jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Please, darling, come and do this for me. Put it the right way. Put it here. Mo wà perplex, mo fọwọ́ ja orí mi látara. mo kọ́kọ́ rí màtó kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ mẹ́ mo ń tọ̀ sára ni. All of them, they off their phone. They're supposed to be here today. Did you say? No. Mo ṣe háàkì fóònù yẹn kókó má lọ yẹn. One like this, eh? Are you sure? Wọ́n háàkì yẹn ni. I reach phone yẹn ṣe. You know, I'm trying to since that ìgbà tó ti lọ yẹn. Mi ì rí rẹ̀. Do this for me again. Phone mi ò lọ sí. Wọ́n fẹ́ jí ọmọ mi gbé kàn béèrè ransom àbí báwo àti kò tẹ̀ yé mi nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. I don't have money. Ẹni yẹn kẹ̀dẹ̀ rí gbogbo fídíò àwọn ọmọ ìgboro àti ti Wàsíù ló ti ní tí fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù. I don't want to talk much. Mo ti rí ọmọ Wàsíù. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n ti pè yín? Ok ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bó ní ọ̀dọ̀ wọn sì ta fẹ́ wá wọn lọ́sìn gbogbo nọ́mbà wọn dẹ̀ ti switch off. Ṣé mo pé lẹ́nu ó yẹ kí wọ́n wá tán sọ pé wọ́n ń bọ̀ lẹ́nu? Ẹni wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé fún yín?
Wọ́n bá fi mi pa fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn.
Fọ́ọ̀mù pé kí ni?
Ẹ máa fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn.
Ṣé Mr. Engineer Fẹ́mi yẹn ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó pè yín wá ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti pè yín?
Àwọn ẹ̀ pè mí tán wọ́n tẹ̀ pè mí tán ti pè.
Ìgbà ẹ̀ máa fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù.
Mo dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún ẹ pé ẹ ti pè mí ní ọ̀sán yẹn.
Ok ṣé fọ́ọ̀mù ni mo ní kàn fíìlì? Mo lọ́mọ mi kú òun lé mo lọ́mọ mi lọ ọmọ mi ò kú òun lérí àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló dẹ̀ wá gbogbo ẹni tó sì wá sílé mi Fẹ́mi ẹ̀yin àtàwọn ọmọ yẹn ló wá ọmọ mi kú òun lé ọmọ mi ò kú òun lérí mi ò rọ́mọ mi látàrọ̀.
Náà léèlì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ dé bẹ́ẹ̀ léèlì lọ.
Àwọn boys tẹ mú wá wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ wá lénìí. Wọn ò wá mo send agreement form sí wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ bá mi bọ́ nílé wọn àwọn ọmọ mi àwọn ló sponsor ọmọ mi jáde. Níbo nílé wọn?
Ok ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹjọ́ dọ̀la.
Kí lẹ rẹ́rìn fún?
Màá pè wọ́n.
Ẹ pè wọ́n sí kí lẹ rẹ́rìn fún mo níbi òrọ́ ọmọ yẹn sọ pé ẹ rẹ́rìn.
Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nẹ̀.
Kò ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ rìn mo ní mo ń wọ́n ṣé ojú ní kọ́ mo ṣe fúnlẹ̀ mo ń ṣàlàyé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe fún mi nígbà tẹ́ ẹ wá nílẹ̀ mo ní pé mi ò fi lẹ́yìn bọ̀ rẹ́sì pé tí ìbàjẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ lọ pé tí bá travel kí lè máa jófo mo ní mi ìfẹ́ rẹ́ǹtì kí ni mo wá sọ̀rọ̀ mo ń ṣe wá rẹ́rìn akílẹ̀ orúkọ yín kí lórúkọ yín sà.
Ó sọ price mi nìyà.
Kò ṣọ̀rẹ́ rìn.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n pẹ́ lẹ́sìn ẹ jẹ́ kí n.
Mo ti pe nọ́mbà yẹ ọ mo ṣe sọ pé látàrọ mo pè yín lánàá mo pè yín lẹ́nu mo ní àfọ́ọ̀mù tó fìlì dáì fún mi àdírẹ́sì ilé wọn dà.
Fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi.
Olówọlé ọmọ mi ò jáde lérí o tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ mi ní tíkẹ̀tì tó yẹ pé olówó lọ́wọ́ sí máa sọ pé owó tó ní lọ́wọ́ òun nìyẹn o ó lówó lọ́wọ́.
Ṣé bàbá yẹn wá dé lílì ló wá sílẹ̀ ní?
Ó lóun máa wálé ní kò wá bọ̀tí lánàá ibi ìbà ló wà títí alẹ́ òun àtàbúrò ẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà rí lánàá? Lẹ́ni mo dẹ̀ fọ́ọ̀mù tẹ́mi tó máa fìlì fún èmi mo sẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀ sí ó wo fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn láti àárọ̀ kò sọ nǹkan kan.
Ẹ má bọ̀ rí ìlú máa fìlì ẹ jẹ́ kí n pè wọ́n.
Ọ̀rọ̀ fìlì fọ́ọ̀mù ni mo sọ sí ọmọ mi.
Ẹ máa sọ yẹn náà ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹ bá jẹ́ kí n get touch pẹ̀lú wọn.
Níbo ni àdírẹ́sì olórí sọ pé ó wà olórí ibi tó ti fìlì lọ́dọ̀ yín torí ó ní nǹkan tẹ́ fi wọ̀n mí kó ẹ ló ti fìlì ẹ sẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀ sí mi ẹ pé àdírẹ́sì yẹn fún mi. Ẹ dúró ẹ pè fún mi ẹ má pa fóònù o.
Màá fẹ́ tú nọ́mbà fún wa.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo pè yín bá ti ṣe ilẹ̀ pè yín kì í dẹ̀ ṣe pé bóyá lórí fóònù lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ti tú ẹ gbónú báàgì tẹ́fẹ́ tú kẹ́ ẹ pè fún mi ẹ má kọ́ọ̀tì ẹ má kọ́ọ̀tì ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tó lọ lọ́hùn o. Wọ́n mú gbogbo fóònù wọ́n lù pa mo send message láàrọ̀ ó dẹ̀ ṣe rí pé wọ́n rí kò dáhùn ọmọ mi wá ṣe ọmọ mi ò ṣe rí tó bá yẹ ọmọ mi lówó lọ́wọ́ sí tó tẹ̀ lówó máa sọ pé kiri olóògbé wọn ni wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n kó ọmọ mi jáde kó ṣe kó ẹjọ́ ẹjọ́ ẹ sábà mi pé nọ́mbà yẹn ẹ bá mi pa àdírẹ́sì yẹn jáde àti nọ́mbà tó bá tún fi sórí ẹ̀ náà. Nọ́mbà ti Fẹ́mi náà máa pè jáde ń sìn agent àti ẹ̀yin náà agent náà lẹ̀yìn méjèèjì gbogbo àwọn tó ti wá sí bíbá ilé ni gbogbo nọ́mbà mú madà sí bíbá. ẹ tí rí ni
ọmọ náà
ẹ
mò ń tú lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Àwọn bàbá wo
ẹni tí mo ẹ
àwọn wàá fẹ́ wà lẹ́sí. Dáadáa.
ẹ tí rí ni
Alága.
yes
Ẹni tí ẹ jẹ́ kí n pe
máa wo
ẹ jẹ́ kí n pe máa yẹ máa fún ìdá máa pè dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ pé máa ń yètí yẹ ẹ fẹ́ fún sẹ́yìn.
ẹ dẹ̀ lẹ́ máa pè mí padà mo pẹ́ alájì yẹn sì àfa yẹn ó lẹ́ sọ pé wọ́n ní wọn fíìlì fọ́ọ̀mù ni wọ́n sọ mo lọ́mọ mi kò lẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí mo sọ ni àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló gbé ọmọ mi kò lé ọmọ mi ò lówó lọ́wọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn ọmọ mi àwọn ló ṣe é.
Ẹ ló sọ̀rọ̀ mo pe àfa mo ní kò sí òun náà bá ara wọn tó wá síbẹ̀ wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ nílé ni ó wá ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ ìkọ̀.
èmi kọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ti àwọn bọ́ọ̀sì yẹn wá lánàá wọn náà máa wálé ni wọn ò wá náà mo dẹ̀ sẹ́ni mẹ́sẹ̀jì àtàbí mẹ́tò máa sẹ́ni sí kò ṣe mọ́ kò sọ sí ẹ bá mi wá ọmọ mi o ẹ̀yin lẹ́gbẹ́ mo wá o. I don't even know, maybe I can reverse this thing, except I remove the memory gig recording. It's recording now. Do you know how I can check the recording? Maybe I can get the, it's not even possible for us to get the plate number here. Yeah, it is recording. Snap, shot, speaker. No, we are recording now. The one we have recorded, the one that has recorded before. Image, venting, invasion, light control, alarming, presets, action, sure. Time. The one that is recorded in the evening time.
Around 6.
This is 6?
No.
This is 14. Okay, 6 something. I mean.
This one is 4. Okay.
Today is 11. Around 6, eh? I want to check it.
As me, you can bring out the bag, you can study see the bag.
Around that 6 to 7. Should be that time, you know, that time you left.
Around that 7.
It's turning now.
Yeah.
Now or before?
Now, it's turning now.
No, the before. I need before one. Motion track. Please. And that should be on the. It's going to be. And that is why this the camera with the control inside is very, very good. Because if I notice that if I have camera, TV for this camera, wo má engage mi lóru tó bá jẹ́ pé ó wò mí tó ti gbọ́ nǹkan kan call me tó bá jẹ́ pé o lè rí nǹkan kan ṣe fún mi. No, don't spoil. Don't reset it. You are resetting it. Don't reset. I will bring it down tomorrow. We check the memory cake. You have changed it. By the way, it's checking. It's not even looking at the house too much. Turn it back. Don't press this one. I just want to the control, the way you return. What do you press now to rotate it?
This one is actually press.
Press it back. Leave it. Okay. If I can check the see. Ìwọ tó bá rẹ̀ ní sábẹ́ platform, you are the suspect. You are part of the suspects here. So when you laugh here, ìwà suspect kẹjẹ kúrò yín pé ìwọ tó bá rẹ̀ ní sábẹ́ platform mi you are this. Hello.
Hello, Alaja.
Yes.
Alájọ òṣèlú nílé màmẹ́.
Nílé màmẹ́.
Alájọ òṣèlú ìjáde díkìrò. Jẹ́ kí ó dàrọ̀ àjídé bẹ̀rẹ̀ dàrọ̀ náà.
No, ẹ jẹ́ kí mo lè pe ẹ jẹ́ kí n pè yàn sí yín á lè lọ bóyá ká lọ wọ́n á lè júwe ilé wọn ní Sùúrùlérè ṣé ti ẹyin ẹ̀yìn kílẹ̀ tó mọ́ ṣebí Sùúrùlérè wọn sọ pé àwọn ọmọ wọn ń gbé àwọn dẹ̀ ń gbé ní ìkọ̀dọ̀ àbí.
Ibẹ̀ ló ń gbé ibẹ̀ di màmá ẹ̀yẹ alájọ òṣèlú ìjáde ló wà.
Ilẹ̀ lè ó lè dangerous ẹ jẹ́ kí mi lè jẹ́ kó lọ fọ́gi mọ́ ẹ ti understand ara kí ni nọ́mbà yẹn níbo lọ́dọ̀ yín ká wá gbé yín.
Ní Orísun bá rí mo wà. Orísun bá rí mi jọ̀dọ̀.
Hello sir.
Orísun bá rí mi jọ̀dọ̀.
Nọ́mbà kí ni.
Orísun bá rí Dímọ̀ number 1.
Please take that pen and write it or let me write. Number 1 Orísun mi bá rí ìdímọ̀. Number 1.
Dímọ̀ Orísun bá rí ro báyìí.
Ìdímọ̀ lẹ́ ń gbé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ní báyìí kò rò ní àyìn Orísun bá rí ro.
Kí ni time báyìí.
Ṣé o fà fi fẹ́ lù báyìí? 12 days.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ fi 5 minutes to 12.
12. Ẹjọ́ dàrọ̀ ìfẹ́ lóṣù gbogbo ènìyàn náà ti wọ́n wọ̀. Ẹjọ́ dàrọ̀. Ẹgbọ́. Ẹgbọ́ àlàjá.
Wọ́n má lọ ṣe ìka fún wọn yẹn ní ìpínlẹ̀ tó mọ́.
Wọ́n àyè ṣe ká fún wọn ẹ má wọrí. Ẹ má wọrí. Gbogbo ènìyàn náà ti kò sí bó ti lè wọlé tó yóò rọ̀. Ẹ má wọrí tó ti yé. Ẹjọ́ dàrọ̀. Mo ti máa rìn irú ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ọmọ mi ò jáde rí ní kó Canada lọmọ ti lè yáwọ́ ọmọ mi kò jáde rí kó sọ pé òun.
Wọ́n tó wá fẹ́ ọmọ ní owó tó wà lọ́dọ̀ yìí ẹ ti rọ́mọ yẹn ẹ ti dílé rẹ̀.
Mo ti rí ọmọ yẹn sọ pé òun rí ọmọ mi tó gbé nírọ̀lẹ́ yìí pé ó gbé a ti wá rí pé ó gba èyí jáde àwọn kan ló sọ nǹkan tó máa ṣe fún so àwọn yẹn dẹ̀ ló wà nílé kò sí anybody síìmù tó wà lọ fóònù tó yẹ kí síìmù ẹ wà tí fóònù ẹ wà tí síìmù wà kò mú lọ ṣe àbẹ̀kọ́ tó bá mú yẹn ń sìn yà máa pè é kò mú lọ fóònù kejì yẹn kékeré yẹn ló mú ibẹ̀ ní email wà ibẹ̀ ní gbogbo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo fóònù yẹn gẹ̀dẹ̀ rẹ̀ pé lot of email wà ló wà ń bẹ̀ òun ló mú lọ. mo dẹ̀ pé mo ti pé gbogbo wọn nísìnyí àwọn ní suspect gbogbo àwọn tó wá sínú ilé mi ọmọ mi ò rìnrìn jakujaku ọmọ mi ò ń ṣe yamayama àwọn ló wá sílé mi náà àwọn ni àwọn boys mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún yín pé mo ní mi ò gbálé mi ò fẹ́ mi tó wọ́n sọ torí o tí ó ṣe ṣe yín mo dẹ̀ tí mo ti rí wọn bí mo ti rí gbogbo ọwọ́ rádaràda ọwọ́ àwọn ọmọ celebrate gbogbo àwọn tó yọ mílíọ̀nù tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ bọ́n ṣe ti dé but mo ti sọ ma sọ pé ẹni sùúrù alájà gbogbo tó jẹ́ ẹ má ṣe kíníkan kìnìkan mo ti rí ẹni tó bá ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe ọmọ mi lóore wọ́n ṣìkà ni wọ́n ṣe ìkànnì kò sẹ́ni tó máa sọ pé kọ́mọ kan kúrò lábẹ́ ìyá tí mo tọ́jú ọmọ mi tí àwọn gan láìfù tọmọ mi léèfù gan tí màá jẹ́ kó wọ́n gbógun tì mí àwọn gan máa fẹ́ lífù láìfù yẹn náà ẹjọ́ yín lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wọn ṣe mọ̀ pé kí n tó dòbí tó jẹ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ onígbàgbé la máa ń képe mo ti pè yín láti jẹta pé ẹ mú àdírẹ́sì wọn wá torí tó bá yẹ pé ẹ ti fún mi ní copy of address àti gbogbo nǹkan tó fi yẹn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ máa tí mi bá tiẹ̀ tí fóònù tó bá hàkí fóònù ẹ máa gbọ́ torí ẹ̀ náà mo ṣe rò pé everybody know about it tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ẹ fún mi ní kíní yẹn látànú báyìí sí ìgbà tí mo lọ sí station lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa ti gbé fún wọn ní station wọ́n á ti jẹ́ ká lọ sílé wọn yẹn ìyá wọn tó bá sọ pé òkè ẹ̀yin lẹ wá síbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n á ti jẹ́ ká lọ sílé wọn.
mo bí sí látàrọ yẹ kí n débẹ̀ yẹn lé
tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní kẹ́ wá gbowó yẹn tẹ́tí gba agreement àti commission yìí títí yẹn ní bí sẹ́ máa gbé wá dáhùn. tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ ti fún mi láti àná àti ìjẹta tí mo ti ń béèrè pé ẹ fún mi bó ṣe dé station lẹ́kan tí fóònù tó ní kí n mú gbogbo nọ́mbà wọn wá tí fóònù yẹn kò hàn ṣé máa ti gbé àdírẹ́sì ti ìyá wọn fún wọn.
kéde yẹn mo ti fẹ́ fún sáà tẹ̀lé because mo gbọ́dọ̀ ní kọ́pì lọ́wọ́ mo fẹ́ fún sáà àmọ́ adé bíi ti kò sí ná nínú general hospital ìbèdí ti fẹ́ mosque tó wà ní general hospital mo wà ní management tó ti yẹ so èrè òun ti báyìí ó ti yẹ báyìí ṣé ń gbọ́ mi
mo ń gbọ́ yín
mo wà ní general hospital yẹn ni mo wà ọ̀la friday ń sìn láti 10 láàárọ̀ òun ti gbọ́dọ̀ dé mosque yẹn wọn láti arrange everything ó ti yẹ báyìí tèmi ajíwá sí lọ́dọ̀ yẹn ní 7 láàárọ̀ so láti lè máa àmọ́ fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn dáadé lórí gbogbo ẹ̀fọ́ láti fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn láti ní kọ́pì yẹn lọ́wọ́ so wọ́n múná lọ ni mo fi jáde ẹ̀gbà tẹ́mi padà dé so ọjọ́ ti lọ èmi ò jẹ́ padà sí mọ́lẹ̀ ìgbéwà pásọ́dọ̀ yìí níwọ̀n tó wà lórí ìtàgé ọkọ̀ tó wà báyìí sí.
mo ti gbọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gba ọjọ́ méjì tẹ́tí ọjọ́ monday lẹ ti ń wá síbí báyìí àbọ̀jọ́ sunday ṣé sunday ni àbọ̀jọ́ monday.
ó lè pe sunday láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wàhálẹ̀.
síbí báyìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ti rí mi ṣé mo ẹ rí ọmọ mi bíi pé mo ń fi àjẹ àbí mo ń pariwo mọ́.
irọ́ o àti bí ìlànà tí mo wá tọ́dọ̀ yìí ẹni kò lọ dáná ẹni kókó jẹ fún mi àjọ jẹun.
òun ló sàfù yín àbí.
òun ló sáfù mi nà.
òun kan ló sọ pé òun fẹ́ lọ sọ oúnjẹ pé ebi ń pa ọmọdé lókè sí oúnjẹ kó ṣe tiwa náà kó dẹ̀ ṣe kó dẹ̀ fún kó sàfù ọmọ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí kó dẹ̀ sàfù yín àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. gbà tó tọmọ yẹn tó ṣiṣẹ́ tán gan tọmọ yẹn lóhùn tí fẹ́ jẹ́ ń gbà yẹn ó tún lọ sóúnjẹ ṣebí she is the one that prepare for you yes after that you know. so ẹnìkan kọ́ sí ìbáyìí ni pé okay no problem alright my phone brother. So did I used to shout abi I used to do bad thing to my daughter. So ẹ̀yin tí ẹ kàn máa ń wá àtàmọ̀ kẹ́ bá lè máa wá ìtẹ́ fẹ́ fi gbé nǹkan lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ ti gbọ́ bí mọ́mì mi ṣe nà mí tó fi àjẹmí tó fún mi gbogbo àpò àgbàrá mi ìsánlé rí àwọn tó wá sí ìbáyẹn Nàìjíríà bẹ ṣe máa ń kọ́ ọmọ tẹ bá wá sọ́dọ̀ èèyàn wọ́n ti rí sí wọn sọ pé ó jẹ́ citizen of Canada kìnìkan wọ́n á kọ́ ọmọ yẹn wọ́n á ní kó sánlé ẹni bá kọ́ ọmọ mi pé kó sánlé ọmọ ẹ̀ kì í ṣe kó máa sánlé ó máa sá lọ sọ́run ni ẹ má ẹjọ́ ẹ torí Ọlọ́run mi ìkanra mọ́mọ́ mi tó bá ní pé kí ẹjọ́ ẹ torí Ọlọ́run o mi ìyáàṣì mọ́mọ́ mi ìkanra mọ́mọ́ mi mo tọ́jú ọmọ mi ni wọ́n ti sọ pé mo pamper ẹ̀gàn jù people gbà tí mo dé station lẹ́kùn wọ́n ní ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ mi pé tó máa ti rò wọ́n ti di adult pé wọ́n há mo mọ́lẹ̀ àbọ̀ papa wọn jù bọ́ máa ní wọ́n fẹ́ free but if my daughter wants to free it's not Nigeria so àwọn tó wá lé ni mo sọ yẹn ẹni tó dẹ̀ wá yẹn mo ti rí ọwọ́ wọn pé celebrate náà ni ìyá ẹ̀ jẹ́ ń play ibi tí tó bá jẹ́ pé lọ Canada àbúrò ó dà o but tó bá jẹ́ pé tó bá dẹ̀ pé lọ Canada tó bá jẹ́ pé she's the only one that planned that my phone will not be hacked if she's the only one I want you to get things to your head if she's the one that planned this my phone will not be hacked I will access the phone number the Facebook immediately and before she ran this page one mọ́tò tó gbé yẹn wọ́n máa mú but they hack the moment she get into that car they hack my phone she's not the one because the moment she get out of this house she cannot operate that phone in her hand because until tó bá ti rí Wi-Fi ló máa lè operate the phone tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò sí phone number lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ now so why are you now telling me now that okay maybe she's not the one that planning it they planned that for her she cannot even gbogbo orúkọ mi ló fi àti email mi ló fi open Uber ló fi subscribe fún live drive and everything and kò sí bó ṣe máa pè wọ́n kan tí ò ní email máa jáde sórí fóònù ẹ̀ orí fóònù tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yẹn torí pé àkàntì ẹ̀fẹ́ àbádọ́ òun ní orí ẹ̀ ní email máa jáde sí so don't tell me that I used to ash on her do you understand people do tell me that I pamper her too much so ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń support nǹkan burúkú tẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ń pa ọmọ lọ́mọ torí bá ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ náà gbọ́mọgbọ́mọ àti ìkà nínú yóò máa wà mẹ́yẹn òyìn rere wà mẹ́yẹn you so on this media letting plan ayé èèyàn bó ṣe ẹ tẹ́ máa pa tẹ́ máa bá ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tẹ́ máa ṣe you are planning it there so please know what we are going to say please I'm begging you for God's sake má sọ pé mo máa hajj mọ́jọ́ tó lọ́mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o kó save ni kó wá ṣàlàyé kó sọ nǹkan tí kó ṣe pé máa sọ pé kò ní sọ pé my mommy is fighting me kò ní sọ pé my mommy make me suffer kò ní sọ pé my mommy ń ṣe kíní kan ó lè ní nǹkan tó ń sọ fún níbi ìbá wọn máa sọ fún ọmọ wọn ní kó kúrò lé pé wọn náà fẹ́ yìnbọn pa wá wọn ní kó kúrò lé pé wọn fẹ́ yìnbọn pa wá míì wà àwọn tó fẹ́ pa àyàn gbọgbọ náà máa ń tàn wọ́n yẹn wọn náà máa sọ pé wọn fẹ́ yìnbọn pa wá gbogbo nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe fún wa yẹn ní tó ń ṣe fún wa yẹn pé wọ́n fẹ́ pa wá ní wọ́n ṣe ṣe ó lè jẹ́ torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe sá náà and you are not telling me that she's this she's that I'm shouting on I'm not harsh when you know me I'm not harsh bí bá sọ̀rọ̀ gan báyìí fúnra mi this is me I'm not harsh but my voice is harsh but I'm a very gentle and kind person báwo ni máa kind sáwọn èèyàn tó mi my daughter she's don't say that don't say that don't say that àwọn tó wá sílé yẹn ni wọ́n láwọn ń ṣe celebrate wọ́n ní look at wọ́n láwọn ń ṣe fíìmù wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún wọn mo níbi òfẹ́ àwọn people yẹn lára mi àwọn wọ́n ṣe máa pa ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń wá lọ́ máa wá tán ṣe máa pa ẹ́ lọ́mọ tó máa pa ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀ the people mo sọ fún Sarah but àwọn people yìí nígbà tí oògùn bá mú ẹ̀mí ṣọ́ọ̀gùn lè mú ni there is nothing they cannot use to convince her. a máa wà ní àdúgbò ń bíbáyìí a máa wà ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n máa disturb wa bíi pé bóyá àwa la da Nàìjíríà bíi pé àwa la kówó Nàìjíríà jà àwa la ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá Nàìjíríà. Her ticket is expired. If I see, tí bá jẹ́ pé mo rí ẹjọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ don't let me be carried away. Let me just send this. I need, it's missing. Let me look for a picture.
Tó sì ń wojú Ọlọ́run ọ̀run aṣíjú àánú wòye ẹ rojú rere àti àánú Ọlọ́run gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa rí kò ní yí padà àṣẹ ti gùn nítorí Bíbélì sọ wípé ọmọ aláṣẹ lèmi ṣe ó ní ohun tí mo bá ti sọ jáde àṣẹ àgùn ọ̀run kó ṣe kí ni kó fi àṣẹ sí tí mo tọrọ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa rí kò ní padà Jésù Olúwa wa àmì lórúkọ Jésù ṣùgbọ́n o kò ní tí bá ti ṣépè fún yín àṣẹ máa gùn o that is why tèmi ò ṣe fi tinútinú ṣépè o èpè tí bá ṣẹ́ tinútinú òun là ṣe àgùn so àìmí tí ẹ júùsì mọ́ kí ṣépè tinútinú fún yàn ẹ jẹ́ ńlá o kọjá ju ní màmá wò pé so lẹ́dí kí Ọlọ́run ti sọ fún ẹ pé tó bá ti sọ àṣẹ àgùn ló wá tún ní pé afẹ́fẹ́ Nàìjíríà máa fẹ́ lù mí kò ṣe bí tìyẹ o má fọ́ sùn kó fọkàn balẹ̀ kò séwu lóko afẹ́fẹ́ nàìjíríà ò ní fẹ́ lù ẹ̀ mọ́ ìtò ti fẹ́ lù ẹ̀yẹ náà ti tó now ẹ̀yin mọ́mì mi ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o gbogbo yín tẹ̀ bá mi rajà ẹ̀yin dádì mi ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ mo mọ̀ lóore ẹ̀yin ti Canada ẹ ṣé ẹ̀yin ti Spain àwọn ìlú jìnnà ẹ̀rẹ̀ patronize mi ibi onídé báyìí ẹ̀ ní wọ́wọ́ tì mi ò ládùúrà tí mo fẹ́ ṣe fún yín ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run ẹ̀mí àwọn wòólì ọba tó dá mi tó mọ mí á bá mi sọ fún yín ní rere á bá mi ṣàdúrà fún yín so gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ ra fìlà wa ti fẹ́ tán o fìlà ti fẹ́ tán o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀gbà tí mo kó fìlà wọlé bí honest show mi máa lọ ṣe níbi tí mo tò àwọn fìlà sí fìlà mi ti fẹ́ tán so ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra fìlà ẹ tètè pè mí gbogbo àwọn fìlà yìí ṣe fi rọ́kò tútù ó ṣe fi rọ́kò tútù mọ́ láwọn míì tẹ́ bá láìké lè ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá nídi cap ẹ pè mí kí tètè bá yín sẹ́ǹdì ẹ mọ̀ pásìkò tá a wà yìí àti súnmọ́ December tí bàbá dẹ̀ sẹ́ǹdì nǹkan kò kí ń tètè deliver ẹ̀ débi tó ń lọ so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí tètè máa bá yín sẹ́ǹdì ọjà yín sẹ́ ẹ lè tètè máa rí gbà tó bá máa fi di next month ọjà máa slow láti deliver èyí tó bá yẹ kó lo 4 days á lo 10 days so ẹ tètè place order yìí kí tètè bá yín send ẹ nísìn ẹ̀yin tó bá fẹ́ ra spiritual product ọṣẹ ìṣẹ́gun ṣiṣẹ́ o ó gbọ́ ogun Nàìjíríà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ẹ wo bí ẹ wá lo àwọn protection products àwọn nǹkan ìdáàbòbò àwọn course breaker àwọn cleanser àwọn victory something gbogbo ẹ àwọn shares lóríṣiríṣi ó wà lọ́wọ́ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa show the baby of Oduduwa nation àwọn iṣẹ́ tí máa fọwọ́ ìsọ̀yà fún yín pé yes ẹ má wọrí Kristi lọ́ba ó wà ẹni iṣẹ́ tẹ bá fẹ́ ẹ pè mí ó wà available bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn turban ó wà aṣọkùnrin ó wà wig ó wà jewelries ó wà agúnmu ọjájú ni ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì máa ń pakuru mọ́ má ṣì ń dóbò báyà ni kí ló dé kí ló ń ṣe fọ́mọbìnrin wo tó bá yẹ pé Boko Haram kidnap àwọn kọ́sítọ́mà ẹ ọjájú ni tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n ti ṣe kíní yẹn fún ẹ okú ẹ ò lè mọ́ èmi ìta àgúnmu máa ń pa wàá jẹ́bi náà tó confam ohun tó mú mi tí mo fodi di president orílẹ̀-èdè polówó ọjà wó àyù tí mi nílé fi ẹ́ polówó ọjà junior pakuru mọ́kọ́dọ́ dáadáa àgúnmu máa ń pa wàá wà available tó bá fẹ́ ra Nàìjíríà máa fún ẹ ládírẹ́sì ibi tó máa ti ra Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wà ní diaspora 80 70 90 ẹ wá lò ó nǹkan ọmọkùnrin yá lè dáadáa iye bàbá mi ẹ máa mọ̀ pé yes confam lélẹ̀ egbòogi ilẹ̀ wa ni wọ́n á fi ṣe mo sá lọ lé mi òjò yìí ti ń pọ̀ ìtì ẹ̀ ní wọ́n rí dáadáa bí ojú òní bí slow ní gbogbo ẹ̀já jábọ̀ slow dẹ̀ wà lẹ́tẹ̀lẹ̀ kò jẹ́ kí n lè mọ̀ bóyá fresh one mi lélẹ̀ sábà pé something is falling so èyí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ pè mí o tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ African food ni kò síbi tí mi lè send African food sí ẹ wọ́n gba wọn tí wọ́n ra epo pupa mi àti irú mi mo sọ fún yín pé irú tí mo ní this time around ó fà ìjù 4 sets tí mo kọ́ tà lọ ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò parọ́ fún yàn ṣe rí irú eléyìí tẹ́ bá ti bù ú sínú omi gbígbóná báyìí ó máa di fresh one tútù padà ni ó máa di tútù padà ni irú yẹn fine tegonic air tí mo tún fi lè ọ́ndà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ irú yẹn gbáski ó mú yes so fine so gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra irú ẹ pè mí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra any African food ṣá gbogbo ẹ pè mí ó wà available epo tó fine àwọn tó ra epo pupa mi náà wọ́n jẹ́rìí sí pé yes epo lélẹ̀ epo tẹ́ bá fi sebẹ̀ tí ọbẹ̀ yẹn máa ta sọ́sọ́ tó máa fún yín dárúmà tó fine òun lepo tí mo ní kì í ṣe àwọn epo tí ó gbádùn so èyí tẹ́ bá nìdí ẹ pè mí àdéhùn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lórí ètò Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa the baby of Oduduwa nation ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o ọ̀jájú ni tún lọ fẹjọ́ mi sùn tó bá kúkú fẹjọ́ mi sùn wá tún pè mí wá tún sọ fún mi wá tún fi ẹ cruise tó bá ṣe ju fídíò lẹ̀ báyìí bá fi cruise tí o bá dẹ̀ fún mi ní strike torí mi mọ̀ bí o ní YouTube àpótẹ́ òjẹ́ yẹn ò ní jẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ní YouTube tó bá lọ fún mi strike pé mo lo content yẹn ó ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn ò ní ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bá pariwo ẹ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá wàláì bárí ẹgbà mi láwọn ọ̀jájú ni o èmi náà wá ṣe bí titi ẹ tó rọjú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Boko Haram kìkì náà bá wọ́n ní ẹgbà mi láwọn ìjájú yẹn ti strike ṣùtù mú mi o torí mo fi ṣe èyẹ gbogbo ọmọ yóò bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà mí o èmi ò ní pariwo wọ́n Nàìjíríà ẹ wo ẹ ṣe bọ́ lọ lébi láyọ̀ láyé gbogbo wa máa jí ó dàbọ̀.